gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. Thank you for tuning in to Mark Plunkett. I'm happy to be here. Forgive my shirt, it's all wrinkled. But thank you guys for tuning into the channel. I really appreciate it. As you can see from the title, we're here to talk about Miss Donna Rowe. Is it Miss Donna Rowe? Somebody can correct me if it's not Miss Donna Rowe. So she's a Jamaican on social media that actually gives back to her community, gives back to the poor. A lot of people might know her. She has a huge following, triple times mine, like 10 times, quadruple my following on YouTube. So I'm just a small person compared to her, but what she does is different. She doesn't do YouTube. She does Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that, which she gives back to her community. So it's charitable work. I know Miss Donna because I've watched a couple of her videos, and when I watched her videos, the first thing I saw was her giving back to her community via her sources overseas or people in Jamaica. So people that watch her program literally donate to her. So they send money to Miss Donna. Miss Donna go to the Western Union or MoneyGram, or we're here about to collect that money and then distribute it to the persons that she interviews. So say I need help, she would interview me on camera and pretty much ask for help on my behalf, and then she would appeal to the wider society, and the wider society would send money and pretty much give me. So she's like the channel, she's like the plug, she's like, you know what I mean, she's that person that can literally help a lot of people. So she's the plug. So Miss Donna is a real plug, and she does it in a transparent way. She give you the receipt, she show you how much money is collected, and boom boom boom, and people love that. Now, why am I talking about this? I'm talking about this because there's an incident that went down with a young lady called Trishanna, where she pretty much lied after receiving help about getting money from other persons. And I'm going to talk about that in depth and just break it down. It's Corona time, and people have a lot of time, so you guys can watch this, and I appreciate you guys watching the 30-minute video, even though this won't go for 30 minutes. But I just want to speak about this in depth. Now, for any charity to be successful, or any charitable work to be successful, you have to have one, trust. You have to have transparency. And you have to have a person or persons that understand what they are doing or what it takes. These persons have to be mentally tough. They have to be strong, especially with social media. If you have a social media platform and you're a charity, you're going to be scrutinized by every and anybody. So from the young to the old, from the good to the bad, you're in the public eye, and people are going to scrutinize and criticize, and people are going to talk negatively about you. People are not going to trust you because a lot of people have trust issue from deep down. So they can't trust themselves enough to trust, you know, a Jamaican, or trust a person they're sending money to. So you're going to find that a lot of negativity is going to come from that. So along with the positives, you're going to have that negative energy that is going to fight you, the person that's doing this charitable work. And we have seen this time and time again throughout society, throughout the centuries, throughout the decades, throughout the years, throughout the day. Evil always fight against good. So you realize that whatever good that you do, there's always an evil force, there's always a negative force that's trying to stop you. And a lot of people are going to come and they're going to act like they are with you, and they're not with you. A lot of people are going to pretend like they support you, and they're going to jump on their platforms, and they're going to come on YouTube, and they're going to talk about this, and they're going to talk about that, and they're going to criticize what you are doing, right? They're going to tell you that, oh, Miss Donna, you're not supposed to do it that way, you're not supposed to do it this way. We have to understand with Miss Donna, she has her own personality. She has her way of doing things, and we have to respect the way how she does it. I hear a lot of people talk about, oh, you shouldn't be putting people on social media or showing them their people on social media, how these people that are struggling live and their lifestyle, because they can be ashamed of it or whatever it is. My question to you, how are you going to get help if you don't show people the real situation? How are you going to get help if you don't show the actual situation of these people that are in need of help? So she must say, oh, this person need help, and you don't see the proof. Seeing is believing. So if a person is going to see that and it pull on their heartstring and they can help. That is how Miss Donna program work. So Miss Donna program work by appealing to people emotion, showing them the real life situation that is there, showing them, alright, this individual need help and this is the situation that they're in. So me now see that for myself and be like, you know what, I'm going to help that person. I'm going to help Trishanna because she need help. I feel it within me now. I have the resources now to help that person and I'm going to give back to her. And that is my good deed. No. What Trishanna did was she pretty much lied to Miss Donna because Miss Donna get money for her, put her up in a house, pay the rent, buy food, get stuff for her, went back to the house. It's all over social media. Went back to the house, she had guys at the house, weed, drink, all that stuff. People coming to the neighborhood, disturbing the peace. The neighbors never like that, and you know it's causing a whole problem. The herd of them are coming down on Miss Donna and pretty much criticizing her, judging her and all of that, and saying that oh she shouldn't have done this way and oh she this, and so there's a lot of negativity going on. I don't feed into it honestly. I've watched Miss Donna and I've watched. Let me focus the camera. Is that better? I think. So, I've watched her program and I've seen what she's done. I'm not the type of person who's going to criticize somebody that's doing good, regardless of how they do it. Everybody have a way of doing stuff, their own style, their own taste to doing stuff. So I'm not going to sit here on my YouTube channel and talk about, oh, Miss Donna can do it. No. Miss Donna do it her way and her way works. Miss Donna get help for a lot of people on a rapid rate compared to anywhere else around the world. She literally gets help for people immediately because of how she do her thing, because of her transparency, because of her trust, and we have to appreciate her for that. So for all the person that is judging Miss Donna, you need to take a seat back. For all the persons that send money to Miss Donna, you have to understand there's protocols you need to follow. If you contact Miss Donna and want to help an individual, right, there's channels that you follow, there's protocols that you do not break, and people broke the protocol by sending money directly to the individual and not Miss Donna. So what they did, they went around the proper protocol, so they jumped Miss Donna and sent to the individual. What the individual did was the individual lied to Miss Donna that she didn't have any money. So when other persons are sending the money to Miss Donna, the few knuckleheads that break protocol, because this is what happened, what caused this mess. They broke protocol. The protocol is, I send money to Miss Donna. Miss Donna pass on the money to these individuals. Transparency. She pull your receipt. She tell you what she does. She show you how much she give the money. Boom, boom, boom. Clean cut, clear. You get the money. The help is passed through. So it's a straight line of communication. Now, wherever you there, break protocol, what you think is going to happen? When you now jump Miss Donna and send the money to this individual, then you go around and call Miss Donna and ask her, oh, I sent money to Trishanna. Miss Donna is going to be like, oh, so how comes I never know and ask her if she have money and say she not have money? You break protocol. By breaking protocol, you create mistrust because you don't know if this individual is honest enough. You know Miss Donna is honest. You know that when they send your money to Miss Donna, it got to the person. So what you think is going to happen? A lot of people can't handle money. A lot of people don't get 68,000 Jamaican dollar in them life one time, or 100,000 Jamaican dollar in them hand one time. They tell them money is the root of all evil, and if you don't have a clean and pure heart, if you can't be trusted with people money, what you think is going to happen? You're going to lie and steal and cheat and kill for it. And that is exactly what happened. So y'all blaming Miss Donna, y'all cussing Miss Donna, y'all dis and chastising and don't even understand that. You guys broke the protocol. It's not about the principle of it and oh Miss Donna want to control her money or whatever it is. You broke the protocol. You have to understand the grand scheme of things. You're dealing with money. You're dealing with people that do not have money. That is their struggle. They're struggling financially. And if they get X amount of money, they don't know what to do with themselves. They will lie to get more money. They now see an opportunity, greed come into play. And greed is a monster if you cannot control yourself. If you're not used to extra sums of money, then you become a greedy and it causes confusion. And that is exactly what happened. I don't care about how Miss Donna talk to these people or how she deal. But once you break protocol, everything is going to fall down. You cannot break protocol. They're in place for a reason. Miss Donna established herself as a trustworthy, transparent individual, an honest person. So when you send your £50 or your 50 Canadian or 50 US dollar, Miss Donna send a receipt to you. She show you and she give the money and count it out to these individual and you see where your money go. So what you expect when you break the protocol and not give Miss Donna the money and give the individual, and then you message Miss Donna and say, oh, I send 200 US to that person. And Miss Donna said, oh, well, but she tell me she never had any money. But no, you say send her money, send me the receipt. Then when Miss Donna asks her and then she says she don't have any money. What do you think is going to happen? People need to think. And that is what upset me. People don't think. Take out the emotions out of it. Take out, oh, she talk to people that way, or take out your emotion out of it. What is the objective? What is the objective of Miss Donna? Miss Donna is bringing help to people who need it. She's bringing help to people who need it. And who is going to help her? People who have it. See, you have 5 person over here, so have $100, that's 500 US. And you have 5 person over here that need it. Miss Donna is in the middle. She's the middleman. She's the person that can be trusted. So these 5 individuals now send the money to Miss Donna. And Miss Donna distribute the money to the 5 individuals who need it. Boom, 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 and it done. What is so hard in that? But no. People will be people. And people will be negative. And they'll be like, oh, I don't like how Miss Donna talk to people, and I don't like how Miss Donna get boisterous, or how vulgar she is, and how she tell them to do that, and how she tell them to do this, and she not supposed to show the other people them live in the squalor and this and that and the ghetto. What happened? She must show them in her mansion. She must carry them in a hotel, and one pretty hotel, and put on makeup and say, help me now. What go believe so them need help? What go believe so the person need help? Nobody now go believe. You have to show you in the real life, in the real situation. You have to show the people where them inner. You have to be realistic. Who are you going to appeal to somebody if you don't show them the reality that the person is living in? How are they going to get help? You see what I'm saying? So people getting confused, people missing the objective, they're missing the whole point of this. And what the lady is doing. They're missing that completely. They forget the objective. Because they have their own agenda. And you have a lot of people on social media that tear apart positivity. You have a lot of people on social media that come on social media that also tear down positivity. Miss Donna is doing something positive and I see it as something positive. And as you all know, I don't talk about any and everything. I don't pick up any and everything to talk about. Even if my channel is slow. Even if my channel have 1 subscriber a day. Even if I make 25 cents today or 25 cents tomorrow. I make it because I love doing it. I make it because I want to share knowledge and share positivity to people. And I've seen YouTubers talk about Miss Donna. I've seen people on Facebook talk about Miss Donna, oh, they don't like her and enough, and she always not this and she always not that. You have to understand, God sent her to do her job. That is what she's doing. A lot of people are not transparent. I'm a trustworthy person. I myself is a trustworthy person. People have sent me the bank information, the password, the code, the debit card, the this, the that, to send money, to receive money. And I've done it. I'm in a rubber soul. Because I'm an honest person deep in my heart. I don't see what the next man have to rob him of what he has. No. If you ask me to do something, I'm going to do it for my friends can vouch for me. And I'm saying that people can vouch for Miss Donna. It's the same thing. She's transparent and straightforward, and that is why her charitable work is working. That's why people rally around her. That's why people support her. And we have to understand that. The sad thing is, they broke protocol. And Miss Donna said that she's not going to help no young people build a house. She's going to do what she can do. Anytime she stops, she stops. And I don't wrong her either. I'm on her side. Point blank, period. I'm on Miss Donna's side. Because you have to understand, once you're doing anything positive in this life, in this generation, whatever it is, you're going to get a fight. People are going to fight you. People are going to tear you down because you're doing something positive. And they don't want you to do that positive. You understand? People don't trust themselves. They don't going to trust anybody. Oh, Miss Donna is going to rob the money. Oh, Miss Donna must be rich. You know, negativity. Because that's all the mind can conceive, negativity. That's all they think about. So you have to understand where you stand in life and understand that what Miss Donna is doing is a hard task. It is not easy. And again, the lady says she's not getting paid for it. Yes, people might be sending at $100 for somebody and them send a $20 for Miss Donna. Say, alright, Miss Donna, I know you do your work and thing. And because of generosity, we are reward you. Take the $20 for yourself. Or take a $50 for yourself. Buy a drink for yourself. You know what I mean? Because you're doing a lot. People are like that. We're Jamaicans. So, I implore you, if you're watching this, continue to support Miss Donna. Continue to support positivity. Continue to support positive content on YouTube. Continue to do good. Continue to give back. If you feel like a person deserve help, help them. But follow a protocol. Just like Food for the Poor or any other establishment, you have to give Food for the Poor the money. And then they distribute it how they want to distribute it. Say, Miss Donna set up a protocol, follow the protocol. Don't break the line of communication. Don't break the line don't break the protocol. It's simple. Give Miss Donna the money, let she distribute it. You get your receipt to know that the money reach where it reach. Transparency. Just stop beat down on the lady. Stop tearing her down the negativity. I won't even address most of you. Because most of them some animal will fly, you understand, and eat dead meat. You know what I mean? You know the crow, them the drunk crow. Yeah, some are that, man. So, you know, as me I say, people, just be good. Support Miss Donna. Look into it. And don't jump on any and everything that people say on the media. Break down things for yourself and learn and see what you stand in a life, because a lot of people are a problem and a crosses out there. So again, thanks for watching JVLOGS. I have a few more videos coming. Thanks for watching again. Appreciate the support. Remember to watch adverts. They pay. I've been getting like 32 cents a day on YouTube. Now I make no money. I don't want to buy one little shirt, I want pants, I want shoes. So y'all can like watch the advertisement and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe and like it and share it. So big up yourself, Miss Donna. If you do watch this, or I don't know, you might be not watch it. Yeah, continue doing what you're doing until you can't anymore. Continue to, you know, show love and respect, and yeah, keep up the good work. So thank you guys for watching JVLOGS. This is Plunkett. I am going to sign out now.